Welcome to Vnewsletter, produced by the Music and Sound Retailers editorial team. I'm Jill Nicolini, and we're now well into May, and I hope 2014 continues to be a strong year for retailers like yourself. We here at Vnewsletter are going to keep bringing you all the intel you need to succeed. We've got a big show lined up for you this time. The music industry is abuzz about an upcoming departure from Fender. A significant distribution agreement's been forged. Also, a prominent industry figure just got a major promotion. Plus, Guitar Center had some really good news recently. And did you hear about that huge acquisition? There was big news out of Fender last month. The company announced the upcoming retirement of CEO Larry Thomas, effective the end of this month. Thomas was appointed to the board of directors in 2009 and later appointed CEO in 2010. Current interim COO Scott Gilbertson will assume the role of interim CEO until the company completes its search for a successor. Thomas said, quote, "I'm extremely proud of the success we have achieved in my time at Fender. We did a lot in just a few years, and I leave feeling like our table is set for the company's future direction." TMP Pros forged an agreement with Loud Technologies to distribute Mackie products in the U.S. Mackie's a prominent name in loudspeakers, mixing consoles, and studio and recording equipment. TMP Pro has built a line of 170 pro audio brands and growing. Their team's been cited by manufacturers and customers for in-depth knowledge of the products they sell. John Hennessy, VP of Operations at TMP Pro, said, quote, "Mackie's products are a great fit for our team. With their knowledge and experience, our sales team is perfectly suited to supporting TMP customers with the full line of Mackie products." Hang tight, because we'll be right back with all new products coming up after the break.
Active integration mixers and PAs. New Eris speakers.
A seismic new studio subwoofer.
Notation software. Metal Pack and other add-ons for Studio One. Stop on by.
The backbone's connected to the tailbone? Well, Radial Engineering's announced the SB15 tailbone, a high-performance signal buffer. It sits at the beginning of the signal chain and drives multiple pedals without the added noise that can plague high-impedance circuits. The ultra-compact design begins with a standard high-Z instrument input. The signal is then tamed using Radial's Dragster load correction circuit to replicate the tone and feel as if connected directly to the amp. It's then buffered via a 100% discrete Class A unity gain amplifier. Clearly, demand for wireless products has never been higher, and that's why Chauvet DJ released its Easy Pin Eye RC battery-powered pin spot with optional remote control. The LED product makes it easy to pin spot centerpieces or any focal point at any venue. And you don't have to worry about power draw or availability of electric outlets. It's extremely versatile and can be positioned in a variety of places. An easy pin pack that bundles 6 fixtures plus more is available. What's ivory without ebony? MV Padula Guitars now offers the option of a custom ebony nut on new Padula bass orders. As with the bass guitars, each ebony nut is handmade by Michael Padula. There is no discernible difference in tone and no difference in playability. Instead, it's offered for those who prefer the look of an ebony nut with an ebony fingerboard. The ebony nut can provide a sleeker monochromatic look as contrasted with a traditional white bone nut. All right, QSC is a very well-respected name in the industry, and one of their heavy hitters just got a major promotion. We've got that story, and KMC Music recently hosted a very memorable event. We'll tell you all about it next.
RMX 500, Pioneer's newest remix station.
Check out the smallest strobe tuner ever made. The Strobo Clip tunes with the same amazing accuracy as all Peterson tuners. Carbon fiber, stainless steel, and tunings for 29 instruments makes this the best clip-on tuner available. Peterson Tuners.
Some great news for Ray Van Straten of QSC Audio. He's been promoted to Vice President of QSC Professional. That's the newly formed business unit that'll serve customers in the retail, rental, production, and distribution segments. He'll utilize his experience in sales, marketing, product management, channel management, and strategy to grow and unify the QSC brand. His unit will work together with the newly formed QSC Systems and QSC Cinema business units to serve the company's customers worldwide. Congrats to you, Ray. Back in March, KMC Music invited 13 of its top drum and percussion retailers from across the country to participate in a hands-on presentation. It included representatives from Gresh Drums, Gibraltar Hardware, Latin Percussion, Toca Percussion, Cat Percussion, and Sabian. Across 2 days of the area hotel in Las Vegas, the group had opportunities to speak directly to KMC brand managers. They were able to get feedback on everything from product development to pricing. As a small thanks to everyone who attended, KMC invited Gresh artist Cindy Blackman Santana to perform and meet with the attendees. The vibe around the entire event was really cool and really positive. Trust me, guys, you don't want to miss these next products. This segment's rated X. Now that's for Casio's XWJ1. This VJ DJ controller creates remixes of audio and video from music players, smartphones, and PCs, and supports OS X, iOS, and Windows platforms. Musicians can mix music using the DJ app. This transforms their Mac, iPad, iPhone, and iTouch into a full-fledged DJ application by using all the songs from their iTunes library to rock their next party. Plus, musicians can mix videos using the VJ Video Mixing app. Stomp the yard with the release of G1 On and G1 X On stomp boxes from Zoom. Guitarists can add 100 great sounding multi-effects to their arsenal. The two products provide effects to every type of music, with the G1 X On adding a built-in expression pedal. Now they're simple to program and easily integrated into any pedal board. Each offers dozens of compressors, noise gates, filters, equalizers, wahs, boosters, overdrives, fuzzes, phasers, fangers, chorus, pitch settings, tremolo, and vibrato. And that's a run-on sentence. Plus, reverbs, DJs, amp models, and special effects. Wow, I can't believe I said that all. Okay, here's one for the DIY crowd. The Contortionist Kit from Mod Kits DIY. It's a limited edition, all-analog, high-octane fuzz box. It produces fuzz with layered octave overtones similar to those produced by the electronic bow. The frequency multiplier circuitry creates harmonics that swell and recede depending on gain setting, pick attack, neck position, and pickup. This is a high-gain circuit that can put out up to 2 volts, and that'll provide ample amounts of sustain. Okay, guys, I know you've been waiting patiently for our top business stories. Well, they're coming up next. Guitar Center's in a much better financial position. We'll tell you why. Plus, the ink's dried on a major acquisition. Stay with us. Recently, Guitar Center made headlines with some very good news. GC announced the successful completion of financial transactions that improve the company's financial position. Guitar Center's total debt has been reduced by about $500 million, and its annual cash interest expense has been reduced by over $70 million. The improved financial position of the company will enable Guitar Center's management team to make further investments. Affiliates of private equity group Ars Management exchanged a portion of their holdings of GC's debt into preferred stock and assumed a controlling interest in the company. Affiliates of Bain Capital retained partial ownership. After several days of buzz, it became official just last month. InMusic added 3 professional product brands from DM Holdings to its portfolio. Denon Professional, Marantz Professional, and Denon DJ join a family that includes several prominent, well-respected brands like Akai Professional, Alesis, Alto Professional, Newmark, M Audio, Air Music Technology, and Mixmeister. Jack O'Donnell, owner and CEO of InMusic, said, quote, "By adding Denon Professional, Marantz Professional, and Denon DJ to our family of brands, we're strengthening our base of DJ assets while extending our footprint in the professional market to the commercial installation and contractor segments." And well, that's it for our edition of Vnewsletter. And as always, we want to thank you all for watching. And I, of course, hope you'll join me at the end of the month when I will be back with a whole lot more for you. I'm Jill Nicolini. On behalf of everyone here, we thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.